Right folks, we've stopped here on the, we find myself on the my favourite road, the A928 from the Forfar Road to Glams. It's a great little road, it's got lovely curves, it's got a hill and a massive free run down the hill for about a mile, you just free wheel all the way down towards Charleston it's called. Another little town down there. So this is it folks, the A928, my favourite road. Let's do this. Excellent. I'm actually going to stop about 3/4 of the way down the road and we're going to go and find a waterfall. Ooh, yes we are. I've just noticed this by the way now. Down there we have the Teeling stones that I always like to go and have a look at every now and again. But this is now Fabricon. They must work down there now, so but the Teeling stones are down there. We'll go and have a look at them at another time. But here we go on this fantastic road. Right folks, here we are. I've arrived at the destination, the J'arrive, at this wooded location just before Glams. And there's only two people that have been down here that I know. There's myself, obviously, and this other guy, BKR. He discovered this last time he was down here, so we're going to go and find the secret waterfall. Now, if we're lucky and if I'm quiet, we might actually. Oh, I'm on the wrong way. We might see a heron and a deer as well. If we're lucky, I've come the wrong way already. Hang on. Come around this way. Right, here we go. Right folks, there's two ways to go here. I'm going this way, first of all to the dam, and we'll sit there for a bit and then we can walk all the way around and find the waterfall. But there's a jump, you have to do a jump here. Oh, crikey. You have to do a jump right here, here it is, oh God. I've got to do it, look. Oh no! Quite steep. Oh God, it's a good 4 or 5 feet there. Or I could just go down there and walk across. I think I'll just go down here. Look, I'm going to take the easy way. I'll go down here. Crikey. I'll be careful. Well, I made it. There we go. Right. Oh, crikey. How much? Here we go. Right, folks, we're here. Now, who would have thought that just off that A93 busy road just up there is this beautiful little area? Look at that. It's fantastic. There's a dam over there. Absolutely beautiful. And I said, but sometimes there's a deer and a heron, but I think I've been too loud and scared them off. We'll just sit here for a bit though. Wonderful. Right folks, here we are on the path that leads all the way around. There's a bridge over the water there. This is obviously a path that is well used, but I don't know who by. I know there's a grouse beat on the other side, so I have to Try and sneak through that. Right. Right folks, here we are. Now a bit of a dilemma. I'm on a bit of a Peruvian death road here. And down there I can see the bridge that goes across the river, but I seem to be going this way and around. I think we're going to miss out the bridge. Right. So we'll just carry on this way then. Right. Right, there's lots of strange noises. Birds flapping around all over the place. And oh, I'm on a right muddy track here, folks. Yuck. But it seems to be heading downwards now. But there's lots of strange noises. They're quite spooky. Being lost alone in this strange wood. Oh, here. There's the path down. There we go. Bridge. See it? It's a deer. Folks, it's a deer. There it goes. Wow. Well, folks, there you go. That was a deer. It was just this thing sitting in the middle of the road, in the middle of this path. I thought, what's that? And then it started to move. It's a deer. Wow. Right, so we can just sneak up it. It just has a strange noise, like a bark. I don't know if that was a deer or not. It was sitting just about here. Just about here, man. It was sitting here. Don't know what it was doing. Right, I've heard that barking noise again, twice. It's coming from up there. I don't know if it is a guy with a couple of dogs or whether it's the deer. I don't know what noise a deer makes. Do they bleat? I don't know. Oh, this is a great idea, folks. Oh, damn it. Just disappeared. There's another deer, another one. Just up there. Oh, crikey. Right, well here it is, folks, the secret waterfall. Just behind me there, it is there, look. Runs all the way down here. So we're going to investigate further on down as well. This has been an amazing adventure. Seeing 2 deer, and yesterday I saw a red squirrel. Fantastic. Check this out, folks. Yes. Amazing. Right folks, we are now parkouring our way along this very stony and slippy riverbed to try and get to the waterfall. Let's see if we can. We're almost there, folks, actually. not too far away now. Wow. Wow. Well folks, we have made it to the secret waterfall. Fantastic. We'll see if we can get even closer. Crikey. Oh. Right, this is as close as I'm going to get, folks. There it is there, right behind me. Look at that. Oh, hey. Photograph. Right, well there it is, the secret waterfall, folks, just off the A928. So on the spizometer, this is going to get a 7 out of 10, because the discovering it is awesome. Getting here is half the fun, and getting right down to it is awesome. So, and it's hidden away in a beautiful little area, and I saw 2 deer. Hopefully you'll see them again on the way back, but I think I was just too noisy. So there it is, folks, the secret waterfall, and the river goes all the way down. It must just trickle all the way down to Glams, I'd imagine. If I had the time and inclination, I would follow it all the way down, but unfortunately not. So thank you for watching, folks. I hope you enjoyed that. I did. See you soon, sooner than you think.